Hi, Kit Orts with you, Flower Duet, and today I'm going to show you how to do a really elegant, neutral colored cornucopia floral design. And this is perfect for this year. Neutrals are still really in, creams and peaches and browns, and so I want to show you this awesome design I made for you, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, it's almost Thanksgiving, and we want to talk about cornucopias. Cornucopias, shaped like so, were an invention of the Greeks. So the Greeks made the first cornucopia, and we're happy that that flower design has lasted till today. They also invented wreaths and garlands for flower design. Those also last. Usually, you've probably seen this wicker cornucopia, and I'm just showing you. You can buy these at the floral supply places. If you're going to use them, it's wicker, so obviously it's not watertight. So you need to get a little tray with a piece of floral foam and put it inside. Alternatively, you could make a hand-tied bouquet and just plop it in there for the event. It will last fine. You don't need to worry about a water source if you're just going to have it for one night. So if you don't want to use floral foam, you could just do a hand-tied bouquet and pop it into your cornucopia. Let's say you want it to last longer. So what you would do is use floral foam, and I have a pre-soaked brick here. Place it into my vase. I don't want to have too much foam because then I'll have to spend a lot of time covering it up with flowers. So now I'm ready to design. For our cornucopia, we have our floral foam soaked, ready to go. So you might want to add a little bit of water at this point. Remember that you should water every other day. And don't forget the flower food. First, we're going to do a layer of greenery, and we're sticking with a neutral palette today to go with the elegant gold and cream of the container. I'm going to make it fairly compact, just kind of creeping out of the container so that it doesn't get into anybody's food on the table. These are Salal leaves, but you could use any flat leaf greenery. Now let's add one of our focal flowers. This is going to be seen from all sides, so you want to make sure your roses are seen from all sides. Remember, cut and place within 10 seconds. think we need one more flower right there. Well, we have a collection of filler. Some beautiful berries. Clean off all the leaves. Now let's add some Veronica. We have a couple more things we can add. We have sage and Queen Anne's lace. I think sage would be a nice addition for Thanksgiving. For the last touch, we just need to add a little bit of Salal tips into the middle. I'm going to go grab those and then we'll finish it up. So we're going to add a little bit of Salal tips, and it's wherever we need to break up the color a little. So I've got some Salal tips here. And I have to be careful when I place them. So now I think we're done and we can look at it and you can see how it will look on the table.